Hey y'all, coming to you from international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2019 SEMA Show, and I came across a 1964 Buick Riviera I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around and take a quick look at it. I'm a fan. This is one that I fell in love with. Love at first sight. That thing is just cool, man. I mean, it's just gorgeous, absolutely. Just a gorgeous car. The way the chrome pops, the trim colors they used. I don't know if they did any body mods to it, you know, outside of getting the gaps right and, you know, refining the lines and things like that. But man alive, what a clean build. I dig how the chrome, they left the chrome on the side. I'm guessing that came from back in the day. And those wheels look like Buick wheels, but much cooler. All that grill work in the front, man alive, I'm a fan of this one. Just absolutely a gorgeous car. I mean, that's a cool era Riviera, you know. It's the body is, the style and the body of a 64 Riviera is cool to begin with, but man, they just made this one just absolutely gorgeous is what comes to mind. I mean, it just pops. It looks like jewelry. It looks like art. The stance is nailed. I dig the wheel choice. I like the accent color that they used on the wheels. Nothing would I change about this one. I love it all. The interior still got all that classic cool from a 64 Buick Riviera, but modern, much more modern, more refined. Just, man, it's cool. Everything about it. I love the texture of the leather, the color of the leather, everything. I mean, that maroon reddish color seems like it comes on a lot of stuff, but man, does this car wear it well. Up underneath, nice and clean. Look how aggressive, look how wide the wheels are. Tires. Trunk looks like something that would come from Buick in 2020. Very nicely done. They used an accent color on the underside of the trunk lid instead of using leather and things like that. Keeps it a little cleaner looking, because this car is very sterile. Nothing clogging this one up. No doodads, as I'd say. You know, nothing there just for the sake of being there. Everything has a purpose, and it's all clean and well thought out and very tidy. Just nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. You know, when they can pull one off to where they can modernize it, but yet not do a bunch of crazy stuff to get people's attention, yeah, you gotta love it. And this car here is just, it's just a 64 Buick Riviera. You know, but the stance is right, the wheel choice is right, the color is right. Obviously, it's all much nicer than it would have ever came from Buick back in the day. And I believe that's an LS motor made to look like an old nail head. Again, how cool is that? And then the color, the satin color that they used up underneath it, and it's, the motor still, the engine still sits there. It's not all covered in panels. I like that big Riviera logo on top of that air cleaner. Very cool car. So there you go, from the 2019 SEMA Show, a 1964 Buick Riviera Vanquish. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.